PT Sindo International Marine is a China enterprise located at Batam Island, Indonesia. Have investment in Indonesia with amount $8,800,000. This company is integrated multinational focused on production, sales and service between China and Indonesia. CIMT has joined hands and shared to extend production scale with hundreds of R&D and manufacturing bases in China. CIMT has established branch company at most places at Indonesia as Batam, Jakarta, Surabaya, Kalimantan, Palembang, and Pekanbaru. And we have local professional service for the machines which can be supplied anytime and any place, whereby customers can be assured without any worry. Nowadays, we have highly efficient professional working and management team. Company has become one of the biggest overseas group together with our Chinese company, Nantong Jakarta. Our customers are from all over the world. The company has a wide range of businesses, mainly for ship design, ship manufacture, engineering machinery, construction machinery, port machinery, lifting machinery, marine machinery, cutting and folding machines, equipment shipyards, steel mills and cement production, production equipment, manufacturing equipment, and environmental gas break and serve large projects with food service and mining industry. The company exports 1,250 tons of chlorocrans and other projects for the treatment of the first export in China, and became prominent in the world. Our company is Indonesian agent of XCMG. In recent years, our engineered machinery products are warmly welcomed by customers and has been rated as top 10 XCMG overseas distributors. Vessel project. Our company did export this before 4 units for 3,500 tons oil tanker ships, 12 units for 1,000 dump coal ships, 4 units for 2,800 tons dump coal ship, 4 units for 4,800 tons dump coal ship, 2 units for 6,000 tons dump coal ship, 1 unit for 15,000 tons transit barge. Port machinery. We export 40 tons to 7 million quick crane, which is well received by customers. Shearing and bending machine. We have export more than 100 sets, meeting different customers' requirements. Welding equipment. We cooperated with one of the biggest welding group, Hutong, as a long-term strategy partner. The products are widely sold in Indonesia and global markets. Various marine products has become our advanced industry. We could provide accurate products and fast service such as airbags, fender, lifeboat equipment, marine generator sets, marine crane, winch, door cover, marine lamps, and other marine equipment. In recent years, our company actively responds to the policy One Belt One Road, adhere to the thinking of going out and development, expanding the company's business, refer to more vitally industry. We found branch company PTDUB, AMTA, RAJA, BAR, BAJA, and PT Sindo Mining Equipment Company Limited. We will provide the best and efficient service to customers all the time, adhering to the win-win cooperations and mutual development as our business philosophy. Seize more opportunity for development. Don't forget to beginner's mind, create brilliant.